Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Leadtek. Today we are excited to introduce our 4.3-inch display solution with a resolution of 418 and by 800 pixels MIPI interface, designed specifically to meet our customers' needs for high-quality performance and easy integration. Well, about this product, I would like to show the CTP and the backlight structure. For the touch solution, we use a 1.7mm cover glass with a GT911 touch chip. This provides excellent touch sensitivity and durability. Additionally, our backlight design is optimized for easy over-assembly with a thickness only 1.6mm, balancing both strength and flatness. To meet our customers' specific requirements, we have also designed a custom plastic bracket. This bracket enhances the overall display installation process, ensuring it's both stable and easy to use. The bracket is made from ABS material, which guarantees environmental compatibility. If your projector has higher environmental standards, it can offer PET materials as an automotive, making the protector even more eco-friendly. By combining custom features and environmental considerations, we provide a display solution that is easy to install, reliable, and meets sustainability requirements. If you have any further questions or specific needs, feel free to contact us anytime. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.